Hi guys, welcome to Nelson UAV. If you're joining us for the first time, this is Decide and Fly, where you comment with what you want to see from the sky, and I make it happen. I'm your narrator and host, Pilot Ryan. Today's flight was picked by Savannah Robertson. Thank you for choosing the beautiful Mount Utsayantha. Without any further ado, let's get off the ground. Well guys, thank you for joining me on today's flight around the mountain. If you enjoyed this flight, please hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my future flights. I always appreciate it if you share my content on social media. Please comment below the video with where you'd like me to fly next. This has been Pilot Ryan, signing off.